Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to control and edit app access to Health Connect on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So if you want to change the permission setting for that for any particular apps, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on the home screen and select the Setting Gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the Security and Privacy tile. And now scroll down again underneath Privacy and select Privacy Controls. And now that we're on here, select the Permission Manager tile up at the top. And now go underneath where it says Health Connect. If there are any apps using Health Connect, they'd be listed in here. You just would select them and then you would enable or allow access to that. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.